It's easy to f up on AWS, especially when you're managing your cloud environment on your own. Mission Cloud unfucks your apps and servers. Whatever you need in AWS, they can do it. Head to missioncloud.com for the AWS expertise you need. Hello and welcome to Last Week in AWS. Next week, I'm speaking at Tailscale Up in San Francisco, and my talk is called The Managed NAT Gateway Time Machine. You might want to attend if you're in the area. Now let's see what AWS got up to last week. AWS announces Amazon Aurora I/O optimized. Oh, yes, indeed. This boosts the hourly cost, but in return, it doesn't charge you 20 cents per million I/O operations anymore. Some customers are seeing this represent half of their Aurora bill. This is a great enhancement. If you need it, you probably already know. I just wish it didn't require MySQL 8. AWS Cost Categories now supports usage type dimension. I hope there's a usage type labeled ill-advised. I want to apply that to a few things in my account. Retiring the AWS documentation on GitHub. Good on AWS for both recognizing when something isn't working as they planned and reversing course, and also for not presenting documentation errors as customers' responsibility to fix. Peloton embraces Amazon RedShift to unlock the power of data during changing times. Well, that definitely explains why Peloton keeps posting huge losses every quarter. Motivations for migration to Amazon DynamoDB. A who's who of DynamoDB customers explained their motivation for moving to DynamoDB. Not a single one was honest with the real reason: resume-driven development. Neo Financial achieves zero trust goals and meets compliance requirements with Amazon Workspace's web. Congratulations to Neo Financial on achieving the coveted status of nobody on the planet trusts you. Introducing AWS Game Time, a new AWS Twitch show. So much effort and time and production value went into this, when with a few tweaks, the premise could have been so much more gripping. Make it an actual game show. Unlock insights from your Amazon S3 data with intelligent search. This implies the existence of moron search, which is probably powered by Bing. Eliminating AWS config recorder costs and usage using AWS CloudTrail. Look, I'm not saying that AWS config is expensive. I'm saying the CloudTrail data events are expensive, but by my quick math on this, every 10 cents in CloudTrail cost that you incur for config events means you just spent $300 on AWS config. And finally, creating a strategic approach to government continuity. Perfectly normal society when a giant megacorporation is explaining to governments how to ensure continuity. Nothing to worry about here. And that's what happened last week in AWS. I'm cloud economist Corey Quinn. Ever onward we go.